I just realized something about the Doomsday Payphone. It still doesn't work, but if you've tuned in here before, you might remember that the handset was a mess. Well, look at this. It's fixed. But there's still no dial tone. The mystery deepens. And yeah, sometimes you have to lift this thing up all the way to get dial tone, but it doesn't help when there's no dial tone. I love the number buttons on this thing. Looks like they've been out here for 30 years, and maybe they have. I think the last time I reported on this phone, it was to show that the blood red graffiti that used to be here is gone. I don't know who did that. If it was the owner of the phone, that might actually make sense now. I had dismissed that possibility earlier because the phone still didn't work. And that graffiti had been there for years and years. So it was hard to see why the owner of the phone would come out, clean up the graffiti, and not do anything else. Or not fix the phone, that is. But somebody fixed this handset, or the earpiece, and it wasn't me. Although my evidence of my rubber band arts and crafts project still remains. That's my rubber band there that I used to hold this hold this handset together. That's when making a phone call turned into an arts and crafts project. Anyway, I dialed this number and it still rings and rings and rings, so it hasn't been disconnected. So there's a future yet for this thing, I guess. Until then, Christ Jesus said, this payphone does not work.